What's up, guys? I received a question from a trader who's trading $50,000 account, and you say you want to become a millionaire in 5 years. Since you are trading a $50,000 account that would allow you to trade over $200,000 in a 4-to-1 margin. The truth is, it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. Having the right risk management that would allow you to know when to get out of a trade, when a trade reversal is coming while you are profitable in your account, is going to be the key to assure that you can actually turn that 50,000 trading account which you are trading now. It's about having the right technology that will actually help you eliminate risk while you know how much of your profit to keep. Many people are making profitable trade, but when it comes time for them to know exactly how much of their profit to keep, when to get out, when to stay in, when is a sentimental indicator is going to overpower a technical indicator. Risk management is going to be your key. Risk no more than 1% per trade, and always use stop losses and never trade without a plan. Avoid revenge trading. Stock small, consistent wins. Protect your capital before chasing profits. You must learn how to cut losers fast and let your winner run. Consistently beat hype every time. Protect your capital like gold, because once it's gone, it's gone. The game is over. Smart risk management is the real millionaire secret in maintaining high probable wins and becoming very successful trading the financial market. Millionaires aren't made by luck. They are built by consistent discipline, risk control, and smart investment management. Master risk management and you will learn how to master your wealth, because with Super Financial Trader training, you will learn how to manage your portfolio. You will learn all the different types of risks that can actually impact your portfolio, because if you can reduce risk, you will increase your probability of maintaining high return on your investment. I believe in you. Let's do it.